Module 4, Lesson 3, Linear Equations in X. We're going to first try and figure out if these equations are true or false. So 4 plus 1 equals 5. Absolutely, that would be true. 6 plus 5 equals 16. No, 6 plus 5 equals 11, so that would be false. 21 minus 6 equals 15. Do the math? Yes, that is true. 6 minus 2 equals 1. No, 6 minus 2 equals 4, so that's false. How about this last one? X minus 3 equals 7. Do you think that's true, or do you think that's false? Many people will say true. Well, if X is 5, is it true? No, it would be false then. If X is 10, 10 minus 3 is 7. So in that case, it would be true. So this is called an open sentence where it's not true or false. What we are trying to do though in our problems is we are trying to figure out what the answer to X is to make it true. Okay, so an open sentence usually has a variable in it. And we don't know if it's true or false. It would depend on X. So whether it's true or false depends on what X is. All right. We are being told to solve these problems or find the solution to these problems. And what that means is we're trying to find the value of X that makes the equation true. So find the value of X that makes the equation true. Now, for this lesson still, they're going to give you values for X and they're going to ask you if that value of X would make the equation true or not. So here they're saying, is X equal to 3? Well, if we put 3 in here for X, we work out the left side, we work out the right side, and we get the answers here. 4 plus 15 times 3. Now remember, order of operations says we have to multiply this first. So 15 times 3 is 45, plus 4 would be 49. Now what you should be doing, since we use calculators now, we're not trying to test you on multiplying anymore, we want you to just put this in a calculator and see if it equals 49. Of course, the right-hand side is already 49, so you don't have to work that one out. Yes, this is true. So does X equal 3? Absolutely, yes it does. It is a solution. Okay, let's try another one of those. If we put 5 in here for X, everywhere we see an X, we put a 5 in. And then we work out the left-hand side, and we work out the right-hand side, and we get answers. We're going to see that the left-hand side works out to be 42, and the right-hand side works out to be 48. So this doesn't work. This is false. So is X equal to 5 a solution? No, it is not a solution. It will not work. So we're trying to figure out if the number they gave us is a solution to the equation or not.